Welcome to my 12 at 12 YouTube channel. I am Arun Prasan. I hope that you have watched part 4 of the weird vocabulary. This is part 5 of the weird vocabulary. In this video, we are going to see next set of 12 strange or weird vocabulary. So, let's start. Our first word is sesquicentennial. I repeat, sesquicentennial. It means pertaining to or marking the completion of period of 150 years. I repeat the word sesquicentennial. The etymology of this word sesquicentennial is pertaining to a century and a half. It is derived from sesque plus centennial. This is our first word. Our second word is extemporize. I repeat, extemporize. It is a verb. It means compose or perform something such as music or speech without preparation. The verb forms of extemporize are present tense extemporize, past tense extemporized, past participle extemporized. The etymology of this word extemporize is derived from extemporizing, to speak extempore. This is our second word. Our third word is ephemeron. I repeat, ephemeron. It is a noun. It means anything short-lived or items designed to be useful only for short period of time. The etymology of this word ephemeron derived from Greek word ephemeron, neuter of adjectives ephemeros, living but a day, means living for a very short time. This is our third word. Our fourth word is piscatorial. I repeat, piscatorial. It is an adjective. It means of or concerning with fishermen or fishing. Repeat the word piscatorial. The etymology of this word piscatorial is pertaining to fishing or fishermen, from piscatori plus ial, piscatorial, derived from French word piscatorial, from Latin piscatorius. This is our fourth word. Our fifth word is meretricious. It is an adjective. It means apparently attractive but having no real value, or cheap. Etymology of this word meretricious is pertaining to harlots, derived from Latin word meretricious, from meretrix. It means alluring by false attractions. This is our fifth word. Our sixth word is adamantine. I repeat, adamantine. It is an adjective. It means unable to be broken or hard to break. I repeat the word adamantine. The etymology of this word adamantine is made of adamant, having the qualities of adamant, hard to break or unyielding. Derived from Latin word adamantinus, which means hard as steel or inflexible, and also derived from Greek word adamantinos. This is our sixth word. Our seventh word is vicissitude. I repeat, vicissitude. It is a noun. It means a change or circumstances which typically unpleasant or unwelcome. The etymology of this word vicissitude is derived from Middle French word vicissitude and also from Latin word vicissitudinum, means change or interchange, called vicissim. I repeat the word vicissitude. This is our seventh word. Eighth word is umbriferous. I repeat, umbriferous. It is an adjective. It means providing shade or casting a shadow. The etymology of this word umbriferous derived from Latin word umbrifer, shade bringing or shady. This is our eighth word. Our ninth word is Brobdingnagian. I repeat the word Brobdingnagian. It is an adjective and also a noun, which means huge or gigantic or a giant person. I repeat the word Brobdingnagian. Brobdingnagian. If you know the etymology of this word Brobdingnagian, please comment in the comment box. This is our ninth word. Our 10th word is troglodyte. I repeat, troglodyte. It is a noun. It means a person who lived in caves, especially in prehistoric times. The etymology of this word troglodyte is cave dweller, derived from Middle French word troglodyte and directly from Latin word troglodyte, which means cave dwellers. A person who lived in caves called troglodyte. This is our 10th word. Our 11th word is nocent. I repeat, nocent. It is an adjective. It means harmful or injurious. I repeat the word nocent. The etymology of this word is derived from Latin word nocent, a stem of nonsense, which means harmful or injurious. This is our 11th word. Our 12th word is diapason. I repeat, diapason. It is a noun. It means a melodious sound or fixed standard of high pitch. The etymology of this word diapason is derived from Middle English word diapason and also Latin word diapason, which means melodious sound. If you like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe to my Tollatal YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification for my next video. Thank you.